Hey everyone, welcome to Starlight Rituals, and this is a very general, timeless reading, and it's for people who resonate with this energy. If you do, please take it. If you don't resonate with it, it's not for you. Okay, now the reading is going to be in Hindi and English mix, so I hope everybody is comfortable. So right now there's like a situation जिसमें आप काफ़ी परेशान हो, your mind is going haywire, you're not able to sleep और आप मतलब काफ़ी ज़्यादा परेशान हो and that this is coming through feeling that you are not being given what you give to somebody, like in return you're not being given as much as you give. That is, it could be in the work aspect कि आपको लगता है कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा एफर्ट डालते हो, आप बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करते हो, बट आपको बदले में उतना नहीं मिल रहा है जितना आपको मिलना चाहिए, या आप ऐसा सोच रहे हो इसलिए आप परेशान हो. या फिर इट कुड ऑल्सो बी इन अ सिचुएशन वेयर in a relationship, maybe in a friendship, maybe you feel that you keep giving a lot but आपको reciprocation उस level का feel नहीं होता है, so you are काफ़ी परेशान about it. And what I'm getting is that okay, you also keep wanting to move away from it, you keep wanting to remove yourself from the situation, and you could if you feel that it doesn't serve your life anymore. So it might just be the best thing that you do for yourself, just moving away, because it just doesn't give anything to your life anymore. And let's just see something else. Okay, so you could also talk to somebody you confide in about it. It could even be this person who's very close to you, or any person who you see as a mentor. So if it's because of not receiving as much as you give at the workplace, तो आप अपने मेंटोर से, आप अपने सुपरवाइज़र से, या आप अपने बॉस से बात कर सकते हो. अगर आप किसी फ्रेंडशिप या रिलेशनशिप में सफ़र कर रहे हो तो आप अपने पेरेंट्स से, अपने किसी और फ्रेंड से, अपने सिबलिंग से बात कर सकते हो. बट इट्स अबाउट टेकिंग सम इनपुट फ्रॉम अ थर्ड पर्सन बिफोर यू डिसाइड टू वॉक अवे, बिकॉज द सिचुएशन कुड if let's just see if mm, yeah, so the situation could improve if you see it from a different perspective, if you introspect for a while, and if you take guidance or advice from somebody. The situation at hand, whatever it is that you're suffering, you could come to a solution. So the guidance is to talk to somebody you confide in. Okay, and overall, let's just see. अच्छा, इसमें you could also feel some sort of heartbreak, you could feel a lot of hurt, you could feel betrayed also. But then again, there is healing, and healing comes through sharing. And even if walking away suits you the best, so that's also completely fine. Let me just see what's about healing. So we got temperance. So yes, it will hurt. Let me just shift it. It will hurt for a while, but then if you balance your emotion, if you balance your mind, you will reach a place where you feel very healed. So it's a time taking process, but then again, it's not like it's not going to happen for you.